Okay, so today is the second class. So I'll write the day one,
Yes,
day
sir.
two, because some of the students they find which day, right? So it will help you, which day basically it's day one or day two. Okay, so what we learned in the last class today? What we learned in the last class? We learned about what is sequence and what is series. What is sequence and what is series? Anyone can tell me what is sequence and series? Anyone? Guys, in the last class, I didn't assign any homework. So your homework is only go through the class
Sir,
notes.
you said exercise or
Yeah,
something.
I gave you the exercise, but I don't know whether you guys did or not. Okay. But along with that, learning the class notes is default homework, correct or not? So what is sequence? Arrangement of or numbers arrange or arrangement of numbers. Arrangement of numbers in a particular condition or particular rule. So what is the other name of sequence? Progression. There is a slight difference, but as of now, you no need to worry. As of now, you no need to worry. Basically, both are same. Okay. So series is what? Sum of the terms in a sequence. Example 2, 4, 6, 8. It's a sequence. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. It is series. Okay. So it can have minus also, student, because if you have minus here, it would be minus also. So because you know the meaning of sum, it can have minus also. So under sequence and series, there are so many things, correct or not? Under sequence and series, there are so many things. Basically, you can form infinite number of sequence, clear or not? But we are focusing on what? We are focusing on only 4 or 5. Okay, one is AP, other is GP, other one is HP, then other one is AGP. Then you have something called special series also. Something called special series. Okay, so under special series, so a lot of things will come. Okay, these are the very important. Okay, anyhow, as I said, these are all part of your 11th standard. Okay, so we learned about AP. Guys, just I'm revising. Okay, AP stands for what? Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. Clear? So what is that? Can you tell me the definition? Sequence in which difference between, guys, respond. Difference between any two consecutive terms, is constant. Yes or no? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Example
Yes, sir.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What happened? So plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. For example, if I write 10, 8, 6, 4, happening? Minus 2, minus 2. So when I'm saying that the difference between consecutive terms, so that difference can be positive. And negative means it is decreasing. Yes or no? Correct or not? Guys, I'm running fast. These are all the things we already learned. This is not something new. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So then we learned some important results. Important results. What are all the important results? First, we learn justify AP, whether it is AP or not. Justify AP. How you'll justify? Very simple. A2 minus A1, A2 minus A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. In general, if these three are equal, then it is AP. So basically, this difference is called as what? Common difference. So D equal to, in general, people will say second term minus first term, but in general, it is AN minus AN minus 1. Are you clear? There are two formulas. One is justify, other one is difference. Clear? Second is what? General form of AP. What is general form of AP? A plus D, A plus D. It will go like that. Then what is that? General term of AP. So what we learned? AN equal to A plus N minus 1D. Guys, you should not think everything is a formula. Correct or not? We derived it. Correct or not? You should feel it. Correct or not? It is not like writing the formula directly. No, we derived every formula. The last one class completely I spent for that. Am I right or not? The fourth one is the next. Find N. Finding N. It's very important formula, finding N. Okay. So N equal to what is the formula? L minus A upon D plus 1. So guys, it's very important. So N is telling you three different things. It's telling you the number of terms, position, and it will help you for justifying a term. And N is always belongs to natural numbers. This symbol, these are all something you should know from your, at least your 9th standard, but still this symbol is not introduced in your textbook. This symbol is telling what? That N should be what? Natural numbers. That's the meaning of this. Yes or no? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Only Arya is responding. Rest of them, not Ars is responding. Yes. Then next is what? Finding D. If any two terms are given, if AM, AN are given, D equal to what? Term difference upon the position difference. Very good formula, student. Okay. These two are, it's all, you cannot get from any textbook. Okay. Even you cannot get from your YouTube channel. Because now everywhere I have to include that. Now, every time I have to include that, you will not get this thing in YouTube channel. Okay. Now coming to the sixth formula. What sixth formula? Have you learned any sixth formula? Okay.
No, sir.
Sorry guys, I got disconnected. Okay guys, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. If A, B, C are in AP, then guys, the middle term is arithmetic mean of. Middle term is the arithmetic mean of the other two terms. Okay. Or you can say, very important result is 2 times of the middle term equal to sum of the adjacent terms. Very important result. You will apply this in 1000 places. Okay. We'll apply this result in 1000 places, right? So these 6 guys, only this, none that there are so many. Okay, it's not something I don't want to limit. As I mentioned, right? If we start telling the properties, maybe it will go like anything. But why? Right? First, you need to know what are the things for your board exam. Yeah. So some important property. If every time is added, subtracted by a constant, the resulting sequence also AP. This also we verified in the last class. If every term is multiplied divided by the non-zero number, then the resulting sequence also is AP. And the third and fourth guys, what they are saying that if sum of 3 consecutive is term they are giving means, guys, please, 3 terms means.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
I don't know. I'm keep on getting disconnected. But guys, just I just changed to my mobile data. My audio is clear.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Thank you, guys.
Yes, sir.
You have 3 terms. In general, 3 terms are what? A plus D, A plus 2D. But instead of this, if you take this way, it will be great. The reason because of it is not necessary always you should follow this. If you consider your first term is A minus D, second term is what? A, third term is what? A plus D. This is also AP, correct or not? This is also AP.
Yes, sir.
So AP does not necessary to be start with A. You can keep it as anyway, clear, but there is a purpose. In general, A plus BD. But what is the use of this? We will see then the problem. Okay, then you'll understand. Same way, if there are 5 terms student, you see here how nicely they put. It's starting with A minus 3D and A minus D, then A plus D, A plus, sorry, this is how many terms? Not 5 terms student, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. If you notice that, guys, what is sum of the 4 terms mean if I ask? The moment I ask, you will cancel this D. So you will get A directly, yes or no? That is the beauty of this way. Similarly, when there are 3 terms, D is cancelled, you will get 3A. So that's the only reason, okay? So these are all specific to problems, okay? These are all specific to some problems, specific to some problems we have to assume this. Clear, student? Some problem we have to use this. As of now, no need to worry much. Right, guys? Shall we start doing the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. So, Srileka, right? You joined a bit late, but are you okay? Because you didn't listen last class. I'm not sure whether you have watched the recording. Is it okay, clear or not for you now?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Right. It's very important, okay? Guys, please remember, this kind of, summary you will not get. This kind of summary you will not get. Okay, this I can give a guaranteed and assurance. Okay, that's why I'm not teaching guys exercise problem. I'm assigning you because I know that there are 1,000 YouTube channel teaching that. Yes or no? There are 1,000 YouTube channel teaching your problem. If you put exercise, lot of PDFs are available, lot of videos are available. So doing problem basically now you have enough sources, right, student? So only thing is that which is not there, concept is not there. So please make sure that my class is properly utilized for understanding the concepts. Understanding the concepts. Right. Find the 10th term of AP. Guys, what is 10th term of AP? A10 equal to what? A plus
90.
90.
So A is what? 2. D is
2.
what?
5.
Correct or not? So what is the answer you will get? 47. Am I right or not? You are A10. Is it correct or not?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
quickly.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Appreciate.
Yes, sir.
Good, 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 good. I'm sure that this chapter is already over in your school, and you find the difference how I am approaching the problem, how you guys struggled, how easy this chapter. You'll understand. The moment I started doing the problem, you will understand. Normally, you guys don't know what is the formula we have to apply, but here it's very clear. I told you, you need to identify the position, correct or not? Which term is minus 81? So means they are asking the position, guys. Position, justification, which formula you will use? Anyone knows that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Formula, Arya?
L minus
Harsh, which formula?
N is equal to L minus L minus
divided by D plus
5
1.
plus 1. Excellent. Guys, am I right or not?
Yes.
Yesterday I gave day, last class. So make sure that this is the benefit of this guy. So N is telling the position. Yes, I want the position of this term. So all you need to take, which term you need the position, that term you need to consider your nth term or your last term. So minus 81, A is 21 upon D is what? Minus 3. Correct or not? Plus 1.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the answer you will get? Minus 102 by minus 3. Now you can cancel minus minus plus 1. Now 3, 102. What is the answer, student? 34. 34 plus 34 plus 1. The answer is 35. So what is the conclusion, student? N equal to 35 means what is your conclusion? Your A35 is equal to minus 81. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
35th term is your minus 81. The position, which term? A35. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
No doubt, sir.
What is the next thing they are asking? Also, whether 0 is a term in the sequence. So you need to justify whether the term is a part of the sequence or not. One way is what, student? You can go 15, the next term is 12, the next term is what, student? Quickly. 9, then what? 6, 3, 0. Correct or not? 0 is coming.
yes, sir.
0 is coming. Correct or not? 0 is a term. This is going this way. You know, if you don't know anything, you can do like that also. They have to give the mark, okay? Because, you know, it is not necessary you have to use formula every time. Yes, even I can say, guys, in this situation, using formula is stupid things. Correct or not? By seeing itself in next 5 times, if I write, I'll get 0. Why I need to write the formula? But as a teacher, I should not say this. You know, I have to teach you the formula, concept, everything. Clear or not? So, guys, this is called a justification. They are not asking position, they are asking justification. But still, you have to use the whether the position formula only, that N only. Now, this time L is what? 0. Yes or no? You are finding justification which term? 0. Can I have yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Now 21 by minus 3 plus 1. So what is that, student? Minus 7. So minus minus cancel 7. 7 plus 1, 8. What a beauty, student. That your 8th term is 0. That's all. Give you a reason means you can say that n is a natural number. N is a natural number and that value is 8. So your 8th term is 0. Any doubt on this?
No, sir.
doubt, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Guys, as I mentioned, I'm going little fast, but does not mean, right, you guys needs to compromise means without. If you have any difficulties not understanding anything properly, let me know immediately that you are not clear with that. Yes or no? It's very, 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 very important. Okay, don't hesitate to ask the doubts. Okay, So determine the AP whose third term is 5. Guys, you need to find the seventh term. Basically, what is the things are given, student? What are the things? Your third term is 5. Your seventh term is 9. You need to find AP. Guys, determine AP means what? It's a general form. Determine AP means what? General form of AP. What is general form of AP? A plus D, A plus 2D. Yes or no? So what you
Yes.
need, if you want general form, what are the things you need? You need the first term and you need the common difference. The moment you know these two letters, the answer is automatic. Am I right or not?
Yes.
The answer is automatic.
Yes,
So
sir.
guys, just see that. Okay, I'll do. Okay, what are the things? Okay, guys, I think if you use the formula, which formula? The golden formula. Which formula, student? Which formula? Yes. If you know any two terms, you can find D. Correct or not? It is not necessary. You need to know two consecutive terms. That's the beauty of that formula. The formula number 4 or 5. I think fifth formula. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is your D, student? Very simple. Term difference 9 minus 5 upon the position difference 7 minus 3. What is the answer? 9 minus 5 is what? 4. 7 minus 3 is what? 4.
1.
1. What D? What the beauty, student? If you want to use your linear equation, how much time it will take? Am I right or not? Finding D. That's your textbook method now. Not only textbook method. You go to any YouTube video. That is the only method is followed by every channel, everyone. Okay, clear or not? Only few teachers know this. Clear? I am one among that. Now you guys also know that. Correct or not? Please teach your friends. Guys, don't keep anything in your mind. Okay, share everything to others. How many of your friends struggling lot finding D? Correct or not? I am okay. They can struggle, no problem. But their answer will be wrong, na? Majority of them, they will do some mistake. But here, the chances of mistake very less. Correct or not? Somebody will think that, sir, this is greater, this is lesser. It's always something. No, I told you in yesterday's class. Always take the later position minus the one which is away from the first term. Take that first, and so that at least my denominator always positive. Clear or not? Because it's
Yes,
a
sir.
position difference, na? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is pending, student? You need A unit. How are you going to find? Guys, here you can choose either one of the term. I'll take this support because A3 is A plus 2D is equal to 5. Yes or no? Your A3 means what? A plus 2D. I don't know A, but I got D. So A plus 2 into 1 equal to 5. So A equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No
No,
doubt.
sir.
No, sir.
Guys, think that how fast we can do AP, sir. Are you feeling that? Guys, when you are doing AP,
Sir.
how much time you took for this kind of problem? What do you feel, Harigaran? It is speed or not? Quick
Yes, sir,
or
speed.
not?
Yes, sir.
None.
Speed.
Yes. So AP, very simple. All unit right. A plus D, A plus 2D. But no one wants the formulas to plus 2D. What is A? A is 3. D is what? 3 plus 1, 4. Then 4 plus 1, 5. That's all. Answer ready. Right or not? Right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very nice. Very nice. Students who are attending again, right? You should feel that, right? My class itself is a good revision. Okay, if you are focusing and doing again, you do not do it again. You do not sit again. Just attending, listening my class properly, more than enough. But you have to do the homework also. This is the condition, okay? Guys, what is that? I think same thing. Whether 301 is a term in this, means you have to justify, yes or no? So justification, which formula, student? N only. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So whatever
sir.
term you want to justify, that is your last term. And your first term divided by, what is that? 11 minus 5. 6. 1. So what is the answer you'll get? 301 minus 5 is what, student? 296 by 6. All you need to tell me whether 296 will be cancelled by 6 or not. Do the mind calculation. You don't want to, I don't want the answer. Just do the mind calculation. Will it cancel this perfectly? No. It is a decimal number, which means this is not equal to natural number. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What does this indicate? What does this indicate? Does it mean? What does it mean? 301
Is not a term.
Not a term. Is not a term. That's all, student. Yes or no? That's all.
Yes, sir.
Crystal clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Right. Again, I'm saying that, sir, you are doing all examples, you are assigning. Guys, there is no meaning. Even I can do exercise. I'm not following anything your textbook, correct or not? You see all the problem, whether I'm following your textbook. So there is no meaning. You should not think like other teacher. Sir, my teacher only do all example, all exercises. Guys, there is no matter. Because when we are in 2000, when I was writing my 10th board exam, trust me, guys, there is no guide. Now, it's not like that. Only we used to have the answer in the last page of textbook. We don't know the steps. Nothing. Even guide will be available only in the city, not in the village. So that time we used to tell this teacher only teaching examples, not telling any exercise. We used to blame that. Now story is different, student. Correct or not? You have answer everywhere, even exercises. Correct or not? So here the matter is no exercise, no example. The meaning is whether my method is working for you or not. Clear or not? So you understand the things through examples or exercise, no matter. Only thing is, are you able to follow the methods? Are you able to apply the methods? Whether my method is effective or not? Clear or not? Yes. Guys, how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Which means what, student? Tell me what are the two-digit number? The two-digit number start from which number? 11, na? Two-digit number start from 11, correct or not? No one
sir.
responding. Two-digit number starting from 11, correct or not? Correct or not?
Start from 10.
Start from 10. Two-digit number start from 10. Okay. 10, 11, 12. It will go up to 100, na?
99.
9.
So guys, these are all two-digit number. But in that, what are the numbers are divisible by 3? If I ask, you say that this 12 will be divisible. Correct or not? Then after that, 15 will be divisible. After that, 18. Guys,
Sir, total 33.
yeah, can you count manually and you can tell? Yes, you can count manually, you can say that. But maybe the accuracy will not be there. But the first number is what? A. There is no doubt on that.
Yes.
And whether 99 is divisible by 3?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that's okay, na? That's great. So 12 is first number and 99 is the last number. In between, what is the next number? What is the next number? 15, na? Right or not?
Yes, sir.
15.
Yes, sir.
So basically, guys, in this problem, find E. This kind of problem is very popular in the board exam. Very popular. You can get one question every time from this. Okay. How many numbers? Okay. Here the challenging work is what I'll tell you, student. Finding A. It's a challenge because of what? Little bit extra thinking is needed. That's why, nothing to worry much. Okay. You should know what is your first term, what is your last term, what is common difference, guys. Please. It's nothing to worry. What number you are dividing, that is your D.
3.
So the number divisible will become D. How come, sir? Yes. What is the next number? 15, na? So what is the difference? 15 minus 12. 3. Sir, no. So which means A, L, D all are ready. Guys, how many number of terms? Which formula you will use? N equal to L minus A by D plus 1. So last term minus first term by D plus 1. Yes or no? Guys, simplify and let me know the answer.
N is 30.
n is 30. So which implies n equal to 30. So please write the answer. Okay. So what you will write? There are 32 digit numbers. Someone said 33. Who said?
Sir, it's me.
Who is that? Arya? Arya, maybe you counted from 1. That's a problem.
They
The problem
counted
is
some
what?
of that. They
You
counted
Yes, sir. Yes,
counted.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I
that's a
counted
problem.
from one.
Okay, basically we are starting from 2-digit number. Now, if they are asking between 1 to 100, how many 2-digit number which are divisible by? Or simply not 2-digit number. Between 1 and 100, how many numbers are divisible by 3 means you are right. You are right.
That is
But
Yes, sir.
it is starting from 10. Okay. So guys, what you can say? There are 30
30.
numbers are divisible by 3. Yes or no? Guys, write properly. Okay, divisible by. Crystal clear or not? Guys, it's very popular question. When I say popular, don't expect the same question. Similar question. Clear or not? The moment we start board exam question, na. So guys, today we will finish arithmetic progress and tomorrow we will finish the summation. Means series. The moment we finish, the next day is what? Board exam. Guys, what a beauty. Guys, you see here, you may think that, sir, you are taking do you think I'm taking very less than your text in your school? Do you think I'm giving less input than your school? Touch your
No,
heart and
sir.
tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
I'm
sir.
giving, but I am finishing first because of concept. Very simple. Very simple. The moment you understand the concept, everything is easy. Clear or not? Everything is easy.
Yes, sir.
Everything is easy. Moment you understand the concept. Example 8. Guys, find the 11th term from the last term. Yes or no? Find the 11th term from the last term. Guys, the story is different, na? Correct or not? I'm not asking 11th term from here. I'm asking 11th term from here.
On a reverse card.
Yep, you are right. Exactly, you are right. Appreciate you. So 10, 7, 4. If I go to minus 62, guys, I'm not asking this 11th term. No, 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 no. I want this 11th term. So if you find A11, A11 is telling what? From the beginning. Yes or no? Correct or not? From the beginning. So now, guys, what you need to do? This is given AP. You have to reverse it. Why I'm reversing it? Because I want from the last. So because I don't know, guys, the problem is there are two ways. One is you can find the number of terms. You can find the number of terms. And for example, you will get some 30. Consider 30 terms. So from the last means what you will say? Means 20 or 19th term. Correct or not? 19th term is your 11th term from the last. Yes or no? But for that you need to find n. You need to find n. At
Yes,
least,
sir.
I gave a super formula. In general, it is tedious work. Instead of that, if you reverse it, things will be magically changed. Correct or not? Now, I'm just reversing AP. Because of reversal, what's happening? Your last term will become first term. Your first term will become last term. There is one more is happening that here the common difference is what, student?
-3.
Here
Minus
what's happening?
+3.
Plus 3. Very important, when you are reversing the AP, the common difference will be changed. Clear or not? So
Yes, sir.
common difference means will be changed in the sense magnitude same, but sign will be different. Okay. Maybe if you guys are not clear with magnitude, this might be a words which you used in your physics. Magnitude, direction. If you learn something called vectors, you will learn all those things. Anyhow, all you need to know same number with a different sign. Okay. So guys, now tell me, are you okay A11 from here? Yes or no? So here, this is
Yes,
your
sir.
A. A is what? Now don't say A is a 10. No. Now in the reverse AP, A is equal to -62. What are things you need? D you need. D is what? 3.
3.
Guys, these two are sufficient, na? What is your A11? A11, guys, now it's okay. For this A11 is wrong. For the reverse AP, A11 is correct. A11 is what? A plus 10D. A equal to what? -62. plus 10 into 3. Guys, 30 minus 62 is minus 32.
32.
Am I right or not?
Yes,
Ah,
sir.
Yes, sir.
You have to write the answer, okay? You have to write the answer. That is the 11th term from the last term. 11th term
From the last
from the last term is equal to minus
30.
2. Yes or no? Clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Right. Appreciate it. Good.
Sir, can we use a different formula for this? I saw a different formula in internet. L minus n minus 1 into d.
Yeah, you can use that. That's what I'm saying that now. You can
Okay.
use that. You can use that formula. But why? You want to use that while learning one more formula. I know how the formula is derived. I know how the formula is derived. Using the same logic. Clear or not? Indirectly, it is same logic that your L is become A. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? And your D, I told you know only 2 changes. Right, Hariharan?
Okay, sir.
Only 2 changes. Your L is become, so wherever your A is becoming your L. And instead of D, what you have to do? Minus D, correct or not? Here minus 3 means here you have to put plus 3. So you tell me, learning one new formula is easy or simply reversing? It's crystal clear. Now, the moment I reversed, guys, one more thing again, getting answer is one way is okay. But with complete understanding and getting the answer, you may put that, you may put that, sir, L plus n minus 1 into minus D. Basically, minus they will put here. When you are learning this formula, do you know how this formula is generated? But now you know. Do you know that time? Yes, my A is L and D sign is getting changed. Do you understand all those things? If you understand, you can say yes. No, sir, just
Yes,
blindly I follow the formula, means you just accept that. What do you understand? Have you understand the logic or simply you learn the formula, you did it?
Sir,
Understand,
simply
sir.
learn in that time.
Huh?
Sir, how A11 came?
How?
A11 came. A11.
Why A11? A11. Here I want 11th term, na? From the last, I want 11th term. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm not finding A11 for this. This A11 for this. Reverse AP. Clear or not? Why I reversed? Megul, why I reversed? Because I want 11th term from here.
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? So we are going to the next. I really appreciate you, students. That's great. Interaction is needed. Interaction is very much needed. Okay. Okay, I think everything is over. So let's go with solving some exercise question. I'll solve some exercise question. Okay, student.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I know there is a word problem also. It's nothing. Okay. In a flower bed, there are 23 rows in the first row. How many? 1, 2, 3. First row, how many? 23. And in the second row, 21. In the third row, it is 19. Like this. What is the last? There are 5 rows in the last plan. Okay, how many last? 5. Now the question is, how many rows are there? Guys, directly what? First row is 23. So the given is, first row is 23, second row is 21, third row is 19, the last row is 5. Guys, what they are asking? They are asking number of rows, number of 1, 2, 3. If you count like that, which means what? Number of terms, this is in AP. So basically this forms an AP with a common difference -2. Yes or no? Common
Yes, sir.
difference -2. If you put this way, yes, 5 you keep, then it is +2. That's what I said, right? So now all you need to know how many rows, which means number of terms in the sequence, which means L minus A by D plus 1. L equal to what? 5.
5.
Minus A is what? 23
23.
by minus 2 plus 1. So 21, not
Minus
21, not 2. What is that? Minus
18.
minus 18 by minus 2 plus 1. So 9 plus 1,
10.
10. So please write the answer also, student, okay? Because these terms are mathematical terms. The question is not mathematical term. Question is a practical situation, correct or not? So all you need to write, there are 10 rows. There are 10 rows. That's all. You don't want to say, at least write a small words, whatever the question they ask. Clear or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts till now?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt,
So
sir.
guys, all our examples are done.
No, sir.
Only exercise are pending. And the great is today, almost 14 screens are over. So we have another 45 minutes. Why don't you open a new board? Guys, you tell me, shall I take series question or shall I do you want me to do the exercise? I'm leaving the decision to you guys. Shall we see the series or you want me to do the exercises?
Exercise.
Exercises. Okay. So
Okay,
I'm okay, right? Guys, you have to be very transparent. Okay. Immediate decision, whatever you feel. You're not thinking about others. Yes, I wanted to, because student, don't hesitate to share your only thing is, guys, when you have to think and talk, I'll tell you, because of your word, if others are getting pain, please make sure that don't tell that word in. You have to think 1 or 2 times. But asking doubts are what I can say. Asking doubts or telling your opinion, don't hesitate. Clear or not? Don't think that maybe if my answer is wrong, maybe what others would think. Guys, please throw that. No use of that. It's basically enemy for your development. Simply now itself I can say that, sir, I don't know good English. Guys, if you think you don't know good English from your LKG onward, you are studying in English medium. Trust me, till 12th standard I studied everything Tamil medium. I worked in IBM, HP. Guys, talking with you people is a different story, student. I worked with US, UK, German, Malaysia, Singapore. How many clients we had, right? Do you think if I am thinking, no, I am from Tamil medium, my pronunciation may be wrong, my pronunciation, what others would think. No, my motto is I am sharing the content. Clear or not? Once my objective is clear, I'm using English only for what? Sharing my ideas, views, correct or not? I never think that I want to showcase that I want to show a good English. No, I never think that. My objective is very clear. I'm using only English for what? Sharing my knowledge. So the moment you understand the objective, yes, there is a need. People need my support. I have to help them. No, I don't know English. What? Why I need to keep the, whatever things I know with the limited things, you have to do your best. Clear or not? Writing A in LKG, it was a challenging work. Correct or not? So nothing is come automatically, student. Practice, practice, practice. Even guys, you may find difference. How many of you really find the difference? Who joined 6 months, 7 months before? How I talked, how I'm talking now. You find some difference? Correct or not? People, you tell me, you find difference? Correct or not? Who is that? Someone is talking. I don't know. Okay. Guys, the changes, improvement, development will happen automatically. Clear or not? 1 minute, student. I'm getting some urgent call. Okay, sorry students. So let's AP arithmetic. Are you there? Guys, everyone is there.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So,
So are you all clear? So don't hesitate to share your your view. Okay, so day 2 and this part 2. Part 1 is already over. Clear? So and why I'm writing all those things, guys? Now you won't feel that importance. After sometime when you are leaving, keeping your notes somewhere. This front page only is a reference for you, correct or not? Oh, day 1. Oh, that date. That's the next date, correct or not? This is a chain for you guys. If I don't have this screen here, you'll get completely, you'll get confused. You, not only you, me also. Clear or not? So it is really help you. You can gift to someone student. That's what I can say. You can, whoever you are having your friends, right, who are in 9th standard, you can gift this notes now itself, right? I never ever think that no, don't share. No, knowledge is meant for sharing, student. Share with everyone. No meaning, no concern at all. But only thing is, if they are willing, please introduce them. That's the only thing is that. Other than that, I don't have any concern. Even if I put concern also, guys, decision is yours, correct or not? Decision is yours. The notes is given to you. Video is given to you. Whether you are going to keep or you are going to share, it's all your decision, correct or not? I cannot control it anything. Right? So,
Yes, sir.
but my motto, you try to help others. Okay, that's a main aim, student. Okay, guys. So let's start. Okay, we have only half an hour. So let me take the exercise number 5.2. Don't expect me to finish everything. Okay, guys, that's very important. It is not possible. If I started doing, no, it will take more time. Okay, only I'll take the sums, difficult problems. Okay, and the questions, really quality questions. Okay, sometime we can expect, but board exam question is better than this always. Better than this always. Which means what? Sir, better means it's easy question. No, better means quality questions. Correct or not? CBSE questions are quality questions. That's what I said better. Don't say that, sir, it is easier than your NCERT. No, I'm not telling in that way. Clear? So it will be difficult, but it's a better question. Which term is, guys? 1, 2, 3, say which term? Find the number of terms. Check whether the term, guys, up to 6, it's very simple. Okay, even 7th also not difficult. Okay, I'll start. Okay, the real big problem will be started. Okay, basically your 3 or 4 mark question is started from question number 7. Okay, so what is the question they are asking? They have given 11th term and 16th term. Yes or no? Where A11 equal to what? 38. A16 is equal to what? 73. What is the question they are asking? A31. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or
Yes,
no,
sir.
guys? Quickly
Yes, sir.
respond. Yes or no? Yes. Now, what is your first duty, student? I want A31 is what? A plus 30D. Correct or not? A31 equal to what? A plus 30D. All you need A and D. What you can find immediately by seeing any two terms are given, what you can find immediately?
D.
D.
D equal to what? Term difference upon the position difference. 73 minus 38. 73 minus 38 upon 16 by 11. Sorry, 16 minus 11. What is the answer? 73 minus 38 you got. Guys, at least this plus minus, please help me.
35. 35.
35 and 16 minus 11?
5.
5.
5.
So answer D equal to 7. What a beauty. D you got. Now this you can take. A11 equal to A plus 10D equal to 38. So A plus 10 into D equal to 7. So 38. Guys, do the mind calculation. 38 minus 70 is what?
Minus 32.
Minus 32. Guys, you got your D and your A. Now you tell me, finding A31, Do you think it's difficult?
No, sir.
A31 equal to A plus 30D. A equal to what? Sorry, minus 32
Minus 32.
plus 30. D is what?
7.
7. Can you simplify and tell me the final answer?
178.
178 is the final answer. Appreciate it, Sali. So, any doubt, student? Guys, you tell me this 4-mark question. Hardly I took how many minutes? You guys tell me. 2 minutes, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct or not? In 2 minutes, you got the answer. So you are thinking, sir, how many questions you are in one day you are asking us to finish all the things, sir? It's really too much, sir. How many of you felt like that? Huh? See that questions are easy, not so much difficult. I know that there will be some difficult question, not all, na? There will be some difficult question, not all. Right? And again, time does not matter, student. Trust me. The moment you involve, correct or not? Correct or not? Now almost 1 hour over. Do you think 1 hour feels over in max? In 1 hour sitting in one classroom, how much time you will move here and there? Yes or no? I don't know whether if you are really interested, this last 1 hour will go like in just 15 minutes. It's not feels like 1 hour. The reason because of what? The moment you involve such a things, you understand the things, you are enjoying the things. There is no matter whether it's easy or difficult. Involvement is the matter, correct or not? Max, who said it's easy? Max is difficult. But the moment you feel involved with that, even difficult problem will be like a cakewalk. You know, you feel that, right? Everything is flow automatically. You won't find such a easiness or that flow in other subject. Clear? Physics you will get sometime, but not always. Okay, consider this. AP consists of 50 terms. And the third term is, guys, little different. Okay, AP consists of 50 terms. Okay, good. Which third term is what? Third term is what? 12. Last term is what, student?
100.
Here is the matter. What is the last term?
A50.
A50. That's why they are giving a number of terms. Clear enough? What is you need? A29. What a beauty, student. What a beauty. Clear or not? How to find? Very simple. Guys, it's same like previous question. Am I right or not? Can you
Yes,
do
sir.
it by yourself?
Yes, sir. So the answer
Formula
is
is AM minus AN, sir, divided
What?
by M minus N.
so that
What, Megul? Wait. What is Megul? What is your question?
That this formula is AM minus AN divided by M minus N.
Yep. You see, Megul, see here. A11 is given, A16 is given, A31 they are asking. A3 is given, A50 is given, A29 they are asking. So it is ditto of this problem. Same as previous question, I can say.
so the answer is 62.
Oh, you know the answer? Okay, that's...
Solved.
Oh, you solved also. What a beautiful. Okay, this is what I want to. You should feel it. You should feel it. That max is like, you know, that kind of happiness only I want to give you guys. Okay, you guys should feel that. Yes, the moment you see the question, okay, you have to be in the position to answer that. Question number 9. I don't know what is that. Let me read this question. If it is easy, then we'll move. If the third and ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Okay, guys, which term of this AP is 0? So basically, you need to justify n, correct or not? Correct or not? So n means what? L minus A by D plus 1. So you need to justify 0 is the term, or sir, which term, position? So L is 0. Crystal clear or not? Your L is 0, ready. But what is the problem? A and D. How to find A and D? This guy will help you. Am I right or not? Am I right or not?
Yes.
A3 equal to 4 and A9 equal to minus 8. Guys, from these two terms, you know how to find D. Sometime people think, sir, -8, sir, no problem. I told you now, take the later position first. So your A9 first, then A3 second. Okay, so -8, -4, then 9 -3. Correct or not?
Yes,
Term
sir.
difference upon the position difference. 9 minus. Any doubt on this? Guys, quickly
No, sir.
tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, if I'm writing 4 first, then this, then you are okay. You have to write 3 minus 9. I told you very well, the respective position you have to write. Clear? So 8 minus this what? -12. And this is what?
Six plus 6.
6 plus 6. So answer is what?
Minus
So
2.
D equal to
-2.
D equal to -2. Excellent student. D equal to -2. The moment you find D, finding A is not a problem. What is A? A3 equal to 4. A3.
Sir, A
Guys,
plus 2D.
excellent. A3 equal to A plus 2D. A3 equal to A plus 2D. A is what? That answer is what? 4, na?
Yes.
Right. A plus 2 into D is. I'll do mind calculation, student, right? For you only, I'm writing everything. You know, if I from here itself, I'll write A directly. Okay. So A equal to what? Can you tell me directly answer?
4.
No,
Eight.
-4 this side will come now.
8.
Okay. Okay.
8. No. So you got A this and D this. Guys, now tell me, you are okay to justify which term is your 0. So N equal to L minus A by D plus 1. So L equal to what? 0. The term or the value you want the position that you have to consider as L. Yes or no? That is your nth term. Nth term is nothing but a last term. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Words, things. Okay, guys, this is simplification is what? 4 plus 1, 5. And repeatedly, I'm saying, student,
5.
don't put any negative value for n. If you are getting n, means some calculation mistake. Now itself you can register. The moment your n is negative value, your answer is wrong because n is always natural number. N is always natural number. So what is the question they are asking? Which term of your AP is 0? So your A5 is equal to 0. Crystal clear or not? This is what final answer is.
Yes.
This is step number 1. This is step number 2. And this is step number 3. And this is your final answer. Crystal clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Guys, beautiful chapter. Again, I'm saying that because it is very important in your 11th standard. Same thing, it will be repeated. The great thing is that the very first exercise, you have internet now, just Google it. Sequence and series, class 11. You download this. The very first exercise and that chapter is what? Completely AP student. Okay. So whatever I'm teaching you here, you will apply the same thing again. What happening? The 17th term of an AP, okay, exceeds the 10th term by 7 students. Clear? So what is that? Anyone can tell me what is that expression? How to write it?
A plus 16D minus A plus 9D is equal to 7.
Okay, okay. No, before that, A17 equal to A10 plus 7, right? This is what is given.
Sir.
Your 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Correct or not? Guys,
Yes, sir.
why no one respond? Hari, are you clear? Correct or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is what you said, na? Harigaran, this is what you said.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you write A plus 16D is equal to A plus 9D plus 7. So A cancel na? So 16 minus D is what? 16 minus 9 is what?
7. 70.
7D equal to 7 means what is your D, student?
1.
1.
Wow, that is the one they are asking. 4
Yes, sir.
line. You may think that the answer is something different or it is huge. No. Just analyze that, questions are really, the problem in your CBSE exercises. Normally, questions okay, but the data is really worst data they will give. Correct or not? We will spend most of the time, finding, solving, dividing, multiplying. They will not test the concept. It's more, but this chapter is okay. Compare than other chapter. This sequence and series chapter, right? The quality questions. But I repeatedly am saying that these questions are not sufficient. We will solve a lot. The moment I start board exam question paper, you will understand that, right? What are the new things? Clear or not? That we will do it in the 4th day. Today is the 2nd day. So day 3 and day 4 we will do that. So guys, which term of AP is 132 more than its 54 term? So which means what? You have to find first what is A54. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
As 53D. A is what? 3. D is what? Anyone can tell me what is D?
12, sir.
12.
Well, can you simplify and tell me the final answer? Guys, 2 or 3% do along, then only right. If one person give the wrong answer, we want to verify now. I think Sahili will give the answer right away. Correct or not?
639.
639. How many of you agree with her? Any different answer? Let me know immediately. Clear or not? You can use calculator also, time being, because I know that you know multiplication these things. I don't know how to teach this. But still, if you don't know, you can ask me. But not here, right? After the class, just ask me. I can sit with you guys. Even I can ready to teach multiplication. Don't worry. Okay. So A54 you got. Now, what is the question they are asking? Which term is 132 more than this? So guys, you need to find a position. Clear or not? So you need your nth term. I don't know which term, but you have to find. So you need to find the nth term, that which is A54 plus extra is what? 132. Guys, can you tell me what is the answer? 632, 639 plus 132. What is the answer?
771.
771. Are you clear? Guys, now this is what your nth term, you need to find n. Means this is what your last term. Am I right or not? This is what your last
Yes,
term.
sir.
How to find the position? Again, which formula? Golden formula. N equal to L minus A by D plus 1. So L is the term which you want the position. So 771. A is what? 3. D is what? 12 plus 1. Guys, simplify and let me know the final answer.
65.
65. Guys, hopefully you know that. How you need to do? What you need to do? 771 minus 3, then divided by 12. If you don't know the 12th table directly, I'm asking my son, he's in 4th standard. I'm asking to remember till 20th table. So at least you should know at least 16th table. So how many of you really don't know? You are in 10th standard. I don't know the 12th table. Still, some students are doing 2, 3, 1 by 1 student. It is okay for this kind of number because you cancel by 2, then 3, then again 2. But if it is a prime number, what you will do? You're supposed to know, for example, 13 means you have to, because you cannot split further. Correct or not? So guys, please, if you don't study table, don't think that, sir, already I missed, why I need to learn now. No. At least you learn now. It's a time, okay? It's a time. 10th standard, don't think that I already wasted my time, right? At least if you invest your time, you can learn it now. Just in a week, you learn all the tables. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So next is also easy, but many of the time, right? When I'm teaching, this question is very popular, doubted question. Student will ask me, but it's just a property, just a property. Guys, 2 AP with the same common difference. The difference between their 100 term is 100 means difference between their 1000 term is what? Again, 100 only, not 1000. Clear? Right? Maybe you have a difficult or difference. Listen carefully. Okay. Guys, okay. AP1, I can say it is like A plus D. It is going like this. AP2. AP2 is what? Second AP is what? Same common difference, but A is different, na? So maybe can I write capital A? Agree with me or not, guys? Agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what is the why I put capital A? Because they said common difference is same, but first term is different, na? Correct or not? They didn't say about that, but we should not consider that both are same. Correct or not? We should always think that they are different. Okay. Can you tell me what is the 100th term here? A plus 99B. What is the 100 terms here? A plus
99.
Same. So now what they said, student, the difference of this is your 100th term. What is the difference? Can you tell me what is the difference? When your difference means what? This will be cancelled now. So A minus A, which is equal to what?
100.
100. So basically, no, they are asking what? What is the difference between their? Okay, basically difference between their term is what? 100 only. Correct or not? So
Yes, sir.
now you have to come back, travel further. Now you have to take which term? 1000th terms. Yes or no? Now 1000 term is what? A plus 999D. What is here? A plus 999D. Am I right or not? This is your 100 terms. Sir, 1000
Yes, sir.
terms. So they are asking this difference. So again, this will get cancelled. Again, what will get? A minus A. Can you tell me what is the answer? A minus A, already you know what is the answer?
100.
100. So the
100.
difference between that and same answer. Clear or not? So this
Yes,
is,
sir.
maybe you, after you write, tell your, write the answer, put a word answer, that difference between their, therefore, difference between their 1000th terms is equal to 100, right? It's very simple, but many of the times student asking me, sir, how to do this? Clear or not? Guys, is it clear or not, this question?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Not
Yes, sir.
something, you are, the problem is, many students think that, sir, difference between 100 term is 100 mean, difference with 1000 term is 1000. Correct or not? That's what we used to feel. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That is the problem. That is the problem. That's why they're asking this question. How many 3-digit number are divisible by 7? Guys, this is very important question. Again, I'm saying that it's coming in the board exam, as well as this question is very important for your next topic. What is that? Series that we are going to see on Tuesday. Correct? So please, you have to be very clear with this number of, all you need to what? Which is challenging work? A and L, finding A and L is difficult, but it's not so difficult if you understand logically. How many 3-digit number? What is the 3-digit number? First number start is what? 100, 101. It is ending with what, student? 999. Guys, you tell me which is the first term will be divided by 7. So 100 is not
105.
105. So your A will be 105. Now, which is the last term? Whether this will be divided by 7? No.
994.
Okay. 99. Okay. How to confirm, sir? Maybe student will find difficult. You just apply the 7th table, student. Okay. 1 or then 2, 29. 29 is what? Still, I know only Tamil table, student. I don't know English table. Okay. By default, my brain will work what? The number itself will coming only if I say Tamil table only. Right. So 29. 29 means what? How many 7s? 4. Then 1. 19. Oh, this is the problem. So instead of 19, if you have 4, then you have 14. This is the way you have to check that. Clear or not? Guys, how to check that whether 994 is that? Because here remainder is 1. So I should have 1. If you have 4 here, it will be perfectly will be cancelled. Correct or not? Correct or not? How I
Yes.
can choose this 994 is my last term, and D is automatic, student, the number which you are dividing. So now you tell me number of terms. So can you do it by yourself? This we did in so many problem applying D and find the answer. Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, the challenging questions are there. Okay, that you will understand the moment I start the board exam. Even number of terms, they will say that mixture of the number which are divisible by both 3 and 7. They will ask like that. They will put and or like that. Okay, so those questions we'll see in the last day of this chapter. Okay, so how many? Even I can take one more class also. Okay, because as I know that some chapter is not just for scoring, which is needed for your next 2 years plus your JEE level exams. Okay, how many of you really going to prepare for that? All the things will help you, so that I'm not sure whether next year I will take the classes for you or not. So whatever enough inputs which I'm giving now, it should help you for your next year education. Okay, so how many multiples of 4 lie? So multiples of 4, many students having the problem. Sir, divisor by 4 or 7, it's okay, sir. What is multiple of 4? Guys, both are same meaning. Yes or no? Multiple of 4, which means the number is divisible by 4. Yes or no? Can I have yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, both are same. But this time they are not telling 2 digit, 3 digit. Instead, they said what? 10 to 250. All you need, what is the first number will divide 4 after 10? 10 is not divided by 4. Correct?
12.
So
12.
A is 12. L is what? Whether 250 will be divided by 4?
248.
248. Excellent. And D equal to by default 4. Correct or not? The number is multiple or divisible. So guys, N equal to, can you do it by yourself? Only few of them
Yes,
are
sir.
answering, rest of them are sleeping or
Yes,
not.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
We can do it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. What's the value of N? Okay.
How many means L minus a formula, right, sir?
Yes. You are right. How many is N equal to L minus A by D plus 1? Yes. You just refer Megul, okay? Refer the notes, okay? And if something is not clear, send me a personal message, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yep. Guys, for what value of N or the nth terms of these two APs are equal? You don't know what they are trying to say. Can you tell me? Can you tell me what they are telling? One is starting with 63 students, 63, 65, 67. It's running like this. And other AP is what? 3, 10, 17. It's going like that. So this guy is starting 63. This guy is starting in 3 only. Correct or not? It is starting point is more. This is starting point is very low. Correct or not? But still, this guy will meet this guy because of it's running fast now. Correct or not? It is plus 7. This is what? Plus 2 only. Correct or not? So this guy also running. This guy also running. At some point, both will meet. Means they are saying that what value of N are the nth terms? What value of N are the nth terms of an AP? So it is running, it's running. At some place, both will be, term will be equal. Yes or no? The values will be equal. You need to find it. Clear? How to approach this? Anyone can tell me? How to approach this, student?
So,
Yes.
so we
Yes,
can
Sahili, proceed.
equate the nth terms of both the APs.
Excellent. Nth term of both AP, the results are automatic, crystal clear. Super. So what value of N are the nth terms are equal? So nth term of this and nth term of this. But again, Whether both are going to have the same nth term? No, no.
No, sir.
The nth term is that means that position is different, na? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Position is different, but the value is same. Correct or not? So what Sahil is saying that L at term last term and L is both are having LL, but that nth term is different. Means the N is different. Correct or not, Sahili?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So just for this, as Sahili mentioned, what is A? A is 63 and D is 2. And here for this, A equal to 3 and D equal to 7. So what is your nth term here? Can you tell me what is your nth term? A plus N minus 1D. 1 minute, student. What value of N, the nth terms?
So that n value will be same.
Wait. What value of N? The nth terms of 2AP is equal. Here values are going to be equal, not the position, na?
Yes, not the position.
Yes. So, okay. I want the nth term. They are asking position. Position of this. One minute. Just I'm thinking. Little confusion. 1 minute. What? The feel of answering this question. Okay. So guys, it's very simple. So this is AN and this is also AN. You need to know. Both are equal. Basically, both are equal. Okay. So just find AN here. AN here for the first one. So maybe I'll put different AN, then I'll equate that. Okay. So what you can say, okay, AN for the first one. Okay, 1 minute. AN, I just want. Okay, maybe I'll make a different letter for reason. Okay, is AN. Okay, so what is this? What is this? Okay, what is AN? Is A plus N minus 1 into D. Guys, we never written formula. Do you remember that? Since I don't know N, that's why I'm writing N minus 1. Else I used to write what? A10 means A plus 90. Yes or no? Only
Yes, sir.
when you don't know N, you just write A plus N minus 1D. So guys, this answer is what? Can you tell me what?
63 plus 2,
63.
9 minus 2.
N minus 1. D is what?
2.
So final answer is what? AN. 63
61
minus 2 is 61
plus
plus 2N. 61 plus 2N. Guys, just equation number 1. Now you find nth term of the second AP. Nth term of the second AP. AN equal to what? Same A plus N minus 1 into D. So capital A is what? 3. N minus 1 into D is what? 7. The answer is what? 3
7.
minus 7 is what?
Minus
Minus 4. So basically, can I write 7n minus 4? Correct or not? Equation number 2. So basically, what they said, this nth term and this nth term both are equal. This is what the question, according to the question, 1 equal to 2, 1 equal to R. AN, what you can write? AN equal to AN. It's from question. It's not our own assumption. It is question. Correct or not? So 7n minus 4 is equal to 61 plus 2n. Guys, 7n minus 2n is 5n. 61 plus 4, 65. So n equal to
13.
okay, basically this nth term here, this nth term here, and both nth terms are equal. Guys, we have to think in a procedural way. Clear or not? That's very important. Again, I'm saying that finding answer for exam point of view, it's okay. But for the understanding concept, don't simply accept that. Okay, what they are saying, that what they are saying, whether values are equal or the positions are equal, correct or not? So the question you have to ask, and as long as you are not getting convinced, correct, you won't agree, clear or not?
Yes.
Guys, maybe some more difficult questions are there. Mm, okay, can you okay to say another 10 minutes? I'll quickly finish.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Determine the AP whose third term is what, student? Whose third term is 16. Third term is 16. And seventh term exceeds its 15th term by 2. Anyone can tell me how to write the expression? Seventh term, A7 equal to A5 plus 12. Agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Super. So A3 equal to what? A plus 2D. Okay, no, I don't want that. Nah? Okay, let it be. Now the question is, sir, do you need to form the equation? No, wait, I'll tell you the reason. You just simplify this. Anyone can tell me how to simplify? A7 equal to what? A plus 60 equal to A plus 4D plus 12. Correct or not? Guys, this A will get cancelled. So you are getting 2D equal to 12. So D equal to what? 6. Na? Directly you are getting 6. Correct or not?
Yes,
Now
sir.
you tell me A3 equal to what? A plus 2D is equal to 16. So A plus 2
Plus
into D is what? 6.
2D.
16. 2 into 6 is what, student? 12. So 12 this side. So A equal to what?
4.
4.
The moment you know A and D, what is your AP? AP means general formula. A plus D, A plus 2D. So A is what? 4. Then 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Clear? So
Yes,
let
sir.
me
Yes.
write that.
Sir, we have to write minimum 3 terms, right, sir?
Yep. Minimum 3 terms. Guys, if they are asking AP, at least 3 terms. Okay. If you write even 10 times, nobody is going to ask. But minimum 3 terms. 17 is from the last time. It's one we did already. Okay. Maybe that one. Okay, the sum of 4th term and 8th term. Sum of 4th term. Guys, what is that? Sum of 4th term plus 8th term of an AP is 24. So how to deal with this guy? First we will finish, then we'll go to the next one. What is that? A plus what? 3D. A plus 7D
7D.
equal to 24. What is the answer? 2A plus 10D equal to 24. Can you simplify further? A
6, sir.
plus 5D equal to 1. Agree with me or not? Guys, how many of you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Dividing by 2. You will get A plus 5D. Guys, if you notice this, A plus 5D equal to 12 means what is this, student? Your A6 equal to 12. Agree with me or not? Agree with me or not? Your 6th term is 12. So why I'm telling, I'll tell you the reason, okay? I'll tell you the reason. Okay, what about this? A6 plus A10 equal to 44. A6 is what? A plus 5D, A plus 9D equal to 44. So 2A plus 14D equal to 44. So A plus 7D equal to 22. Can you tell me A plus 7D is what? 8 equal to 22. Agree with me or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Guys, the moment you know any two terms,
You can find common
Any-
difference.
yes, excellent, Arsh. So D equal to what? Term difference. 22 minus 12 upon the position difference. 8 minus 6 na 8th term minus 6th term. So the answer is what? 10 by
2,
10 by 2. So D equal to,
5.
who is that? Who is that? Someone, anyone knows that? Who did that?
No, sir.
Okay, I don't know. Is that? But guys, any other person is joined other than our group?
We are having name Dhanush sir in that con.
Who is Dhanush? Dhanush. I'll just remove that guy.
Yeah, sir.
Who is that? Who said Dhanush is Yashar? Someone else is Yashar. Dhanush.
Yes, sir. Me, Dhanush.
I don't know. No, why you are annotating the screen? You only annotated?
No, sir. Sorry, I didn't done.
Okay, may know from whom you got this link, Dhanush? Anyone
Yeah,
you know here?
Yes, sir.
Dhanush.
I knew, sir. He's my friend, sir.
Then you have to tell us, na. Arya, why you are not telling? You have to tell. Okay. I don't know when Dhanush, when you joined. We joined just now?
No, sir. From
No, sir.
beginning.
No, sir.
From beginning? Okay, that's great. Okay. You understand? Have you joined in the last class or you joined today only?
No, sir. I joined last class also. It is understanding, sir, for me.
Right. Okay. So guys, what do you need? Okay. It's 44. Find the first three terms. Okay, you need A also now. What you can do? You can A6. A6 equal to what? A plus 5D equal to 12. So A plus 5 into 5 is equal to 12. Can you tell me what is A? 12 minus 25.
Minus 13.
Minus 30.
Minus 13.
You got A and D student. Now you can tell me what is your AP? Minus 13. Minus 13 plus 5 is what? Minus? Guys, tell me minus 13 plus
Minus
5.
8.
Minus
Minus
8.
8. Minus 8 plus 5.
-3.
Minus 3. Minus 3, not 3.
Dot, dot, dot. Okay. Anyhow, they're asking only first three terms. Na? Then you don't want to put the dot. Okay. These are the first three terms. Right, student? Okay. So, guys, I wanted you guys to try these sums and make sure that, right, all the sums are clear. Make sure that no doubt. Okay. We'll see the series in the next class. Just a series 1 day, student. Just 1 day. Just only one formula, two formula. I'll make you the relation between SN and AN. So that part is over. In the next class, by next class, your AP is over from your NCRT. Then we will do 1 or 2 days. I'm surely I will spend with you guys for solving all the board exam level questions, which will help you for your board exam as well as your 11th and 12th. Right? So
Yes, sir.
appreciate it, student. Take care. Anything else you want? You can tell me. Rest of them can leave.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Good night,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Good night.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night. Good night. Right. So, Dhanush, you want to talk anything? Dhanush?